what do you see? You have only 3 SKUs only, and then only one that is a traffic driver. So you 3 SKUs, I don't think can make much sales, honestly speaking. And then if you want to drive traffic, this aku nak panggil dia nama apa ni? Ewa Baby Musical. Okay, if you want to drive traffic, you notice here or not, you already have, here is 85 sold, okay? And means this one is a popular product, but you want to drive traffic to this product, you actually can do this add-on deal, bundle deal kind of thing. Then your 2 other products will appear down here. Okay, so when people look at this product, they will see your 2 other product here, and they will want to click, and then it will land onto your other products. So there's an extra traffic driver. Okay, that will lead this to this. But you see, these 3 item dia tak berkaitan tau. When you see here, right? One is a pillow, one is a handbag, and one is a double cloth. So it's totally non-related. So
I think,
it's like,
yeah.
you say
Sorry,
first, sorry.
go ahead.
So you see, right now, right? Okay, people are, when they want to buy things, they always look for more choices. So example, they want to buy a kain lap, right? So maybe the related items can be apron, can be something related to the kitchen, pencuci, scrub, or even apron, or even those those sleeve that will help you clean this glove. But then after the cloth, they go to handbag, and after the handbag go to pillow, which is totally not related. So if you have like 5 more pillows or 5 more handbags maybe, but like number 1, number 2, number 3 is totally not related. So it's very hard for customers to see more of items. What do you think, Wing?
I think the reason why she put the what you call it, the first one Tuala, I think that's the trending product, is it? So she hope that product can actually bring traffic to the store and then buy the rest, is it? I
No,
don't
she
know.
only got
I'm
3
just
products.
guessing. Only 3 ah?
Yeah,
Mm 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 mm.
you see?
Better.
If she wants to mengembang, that she need to like different type of related category, and then maybe she want to do more handbags, she want to do more pillows, but now it's totally not related.